my class notebook and I want to distribute this page I've been working on from the teacher only area out to each of the children in the class. Now, I've finished this worksheet and I'm going to go to Class Notebook tab to see my various options. And what I want to do with this one is distribute this page so it goes to all of the pupils. I click on the Distribute Page option from the Class Notebook tab. I'm going to choose Distribute Page. It then says, select the student section where you want to distribute this page, which I've called Water Cycle. I'm going to send it to their homework section. Once I've selected the section, I click on Distribute. It may take a little while to distribute a page, particularly if it's got a lot of content or large images on it. My one is now done. I can check by going to a pupil. I'm going to choose Pupil 4 and going to look at their homework section. You can see they've got the water cycle page already in there. That means they've got their own unique copy of this page, and any changes they make will be their own changes and it won't affect my copy in the teacher only section or any of the other pupils' copies. So distributing page is a great way of quickly sending out your digital sheets to your class via the class notebook.